Hey there, I'm Jim with Jim's Plumbing Now. If your water heater is more than just a few years old, good chances are that you need proper water heater maintenance. The easiest and most cost-effective way to do that is a water heater flush. That's why Jim's is here with an 88 no-break guarantee. Let us flush your water heater for only $88. We'll guarantee it won't fail for the next 12 months when you go with our expert plumbers' recommended repairs. So, what's included in your 88 no-break water heater flush? Let's dive in. First things first, we'll turn off your water heater and drain it. Over time, sediment and debris build up inside, especially if you have hard water. This can cause heater to work harder, increasing your energy bills and even shortening its lifespan. It can lead to overheating, reducing hot water capacity, and even leaks if left untreated. During the flush, we'll drain the tank completely, removing all that built up sediment. Then we'll fill it back up with fresh water and check for any signs of damage or wear. We also inspect the anode rod, which helps prevent rusting inside the tank. If it's looking worn out, we'll replace it to ensure your water heater keeps running smooth. So if you want to extend the life of your water heater and keep it running efficiently, now's the time to call Jim's Plumbing Now. Call us or book your appointment on our website today.